Okay, so here's what we have. We have phase one of a core stabilization program working with the client that's got a little issue on the left hip. And we're going to have to work on strengthening that. But the basic thing that we have to do now is we have to build the foundation for the core. So we perform that basic plank. And now we're moving into the side plank raise, working on the lateral musculature. We come up. Now what we want to do here with all of these exercises, these isometric exercises, every one of them is we want to work on 10 to 15 reps. And we want to do 2 sets of each individual exercise. So each exercise will have 2 sets. You got to come up off the floor. Now we're going to do the bird dog. The bird dog is a great exercise for strengthening the lower lumbar region of the back, and also, of course, the abdominals in the front. You got to hold the position, and you see you have to keep that knee that's elevated. Just keep it up. There you go. Try to raise it a little more. Hold the position, counting to 15, 20, 30. You'll just have to decide how long you can go. And then the next time that you perform these exercises, try to remember to go 5 more seconds longer in order to move forward in core strength. So we do both sides. Now we're moving into the ball bridge. And this is another one great for the gluteals in the back. All of the gluteals, the medial, the maximus, and the minimus. Now when we do this bridge, you can see that we're coming up and squeezing those glutes at the top as we create that tabletop, right, on the front side. Just coming right up. And again, we're looking at doing 10 to 15 of these each session. This is a simple ball hamstring curl. We've got the ball out. We can do a single leg. One single leg, and then we can do the other leg. On these we want to do a few more. It's an easy exercise, but it's important that we work that hamstring. So remember, this is phase 1 of a stability strengthening program, and then we can use both of our legs on top of the ball, pulling the ball forward towards our hamstrings. 15 to 20 of these, please. All right. So there you have that. Goodbye, ball. We'll see you later. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do those floor crunches. So we want to bring our shoulders up off, and then right there at the maximum of the contraction at the top, we kind of stop. And then we come down slowly and back up and stop and come down slowly. It would be great if we could count 1001, 1002 at the top when you're coming into that full crunch. I'm not doing it now just for the sake of the length of the video. Again, on this one, I want to try to get 15 knocked out. 20 is great, but look, where we start is where we start. Where we go is we advance our repetitions moving forward. Now this is the one that's been a little bit difficult, but we've got to work on it. It's the floor side leg raise. So on that left side, it's going to be a challenge, but we need to try to, look, I'm just barely lifting it. We have to get some motion. We've got to strengthen that medial gluteal and also that minimal gluteal. It's important to remember, however, that all the gluteals are working. Okay, now here comes another plank, but this is a plank kickback. And this is an advance from the basic. Well, let's see how that one goes. And that's it. Again, whatever you can do, 10. Now I'm finishing up. Now we didn't do this one. in our first session, but I thought to myself, well, let's just put it in. I'm here. I noticed feet shoulder width apart, coming straight down, trying to keep the knees stable, not moving laterally at all, coming down and up. Now, whatever your comfort level is on this one in terms of the descent, how far down you can go in that bottoming out in that squat, I'm slowly increasing the range of motion at the bottom portion there. I'm coming down even further and up. And again, it's nice and slow and up and down. So this is the exercises for now. We've got more to do, and we'll be seeing those very, very soon.